Hey, what's going on everybody? Todd Dow here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 websites to make $200 per day. On this channel I go over a lot of different websites on how to make certain amounts per day, per month on this YouTube channel. So I do a lot of research and I actually test out different websites in order to start making money online. And what I do is I actually create these videos to share with you different ways to make money online, okay? But this channel mainly is about tutorials on how to make money online. I show you how to build certain websites. I show you how to, market. I show you how to get traffic, build your email list. I show you how to do e-commerce, Facebook ads. So I have a lot of expertise in a lot of different areas because I've been doing it for 12 years plus, okay? And so on this channel, I do give away all of those tactics on this channel. So by subscribing to this YouTube video right now, or there should be a button here or there, whatever, hit that button, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and that's what you'll be subscribing to on this channel. But more importantly, hit that notification bell because it allows me to be able to reach you whenever I do launch a video on this channel, because not everybody gets a notification or you see my video in your browse feed whenever I do launch a new video on this channel, and that really helps out. The last thing, guys, listen, so the very first step in this process is to go ahead and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. It allows me to reach more people just like you who are looking for ways to make money online, to supplement their income, to live more comfortably and with their business, or to actually start building an empire online and making money online. So that allows me to reach them, and they'll be able to see this video because you just gave me a thumbs up on this video. So that's the only thing I'm asking inside this video is to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and dive into the first website. So the first website is Redbubble. It's just like Teespring, where you're able to go ahead and put up different listings on here, and basically there will be traffic that comes to this website. It's kind of like eBay as well, where traffic will come in from search. People are searching on here different types of products, and then they actually purchase from this website. Okay, so it's just like Teespring. Again, there's traffic already built in, similar to Amazon, similar to eBay, as far as listings and traffic coming in from the outside. And so it allows you to get traffic, and just by posting right there on this website, okay? And the best way to do this, guys, ladies and gentlemen, is like, obviously you don't have to be a graphic designer in order to use this website to start making money, okay? That's not why I brought you here. Obviously, you can use websites like Fiverr to outsource, to create images to go on a lot of these different products. So for example, if you go to Shop Masks, there's different types of masks that are being created, but these individuals didn't create these designs themselves. They went to Fiverr, they went to Upwork, they went to freelancer.com, and they found a designer that can create a different design so they can put up on this website. And like I said, again, whenever people search on this website and they find exactly what you have or to offer, or they like your design or whatever, they can purchase the product straight from your Redbubble account. So you're gonna want to start selling your artwork right here on this platform, and this is the best website to go ahead and utilize that as well, okay? So that brings me to the next website, which is eBay. eBay has been around for so long, okay? My dad actually still to this day wants to make money off of eBay by selling golf products because he's a golf fanatic, okay? And so eBay is one of those websites where you can start posting up products that you can sell on this website in order to start making some money on here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to a website called Alibaba, because not only are you able to sell on eBay, but you want to make profit from it and compete with other people who are also posting maybe the same similar items on there. So if I go to Alibaba.com, it is a website where I'm able to buy product in bulk and save a crap ton of money. No matter what niche it is, it could be hair extensions, it could be skincare products, it could be men's grooming products, sports, entertainment, cars, whatever niche floats your boat, you can find those products right here on Alibaba, purchase them in bulk, and then ship them out through your orders that come through eBay. But you want to do this a lot faster. You don't want to be, just kind of like playing around with this thing. So you want to make sure that you order these products in advance and then ship them out to your eBay account, because you don't want to mess around and get bad ratings by not being able to ship out products on time. So order the products in advance, and then you can go from there. So, and coupled with this website also is a bonus website. If you go to ecomhunts.com, which is also a link in the description right here, you can see that there's other products on here. They tell you what trending products are on this website, so you can go and repost those items on eBay. Okay, so the whole concept and the whole idea behind eBay and this website is to find what products are trending right now. So the whole idea behind this is to use eBay, Ecomhunts, and Alibaba coupled together in order to start benefiting from this. Okay, you're going to use Ecomhunts to find trending products. Then you're going to go on Alibaba to order those products in advance at a cheaper rate. And then you're going to post those items up on eBay to actually start making some profits. So with that being said, that brings us to our third website, which is called Skillshare. Skillshare is a really dope website for individuals who are an expert in any type of field whatsoever. You can be a photographer, you can be a professional person that knows how to knit sweaters. Maybe you know how to put together cakes or different types of desserts. And maybe you're an instructor, maybe you're a teacher. You can teach people different tactics on how to work out. There's all different types of ways that you can make money from this thing by sharing your skill. Okay, Skillshare is exactly what it is. It's your creativity on this website. And so whenever somebody goes to this website and they want to purchase a lesson, every minute that they watch of your video, you're going to get paid for. Okay, so if you create an entire lesson, for example, if you're a skateboarder and you're trying to show somebody how to skateboard and do some tricks and whatnot, and you have your own technique on how to do it, you can put together video tutorials on how to demonstrate on how to do it, and then put those videos on this website. So if anybody who searches on this website and finds a listing about skateboarding or knowing how to do certain tricks or whatever, they can find your videos, start watching them, and you can get paid on this channel, okay, on this website, okay? Now, I can tell you that people are getting paid between $300, $3,000, and even a lot more than $3,000 per month just by utilizing this website and any skill that they have, okay? I thought this was pretty dope, and it really reminded me of another website that I know of called Udemy, okay? Udemy, sorry. There we go. Udemy.com is another website where you're able to sell your courses. Udemy.com is another website where you're able to sell your courses, okay? They have so many different listings. It almost looks like Fiverr on here, but it's all about selling different courses that you have, okay? Or that you can create. So you can use a service like Camtasia where you can record your screen and create different lessons for you, and you can actually post those lessons here on Udemy, and they will pay you per lesson and per a course that you actually put up on this website, and which is really dope. So you don't have to worry about driving traffic to an offer to sell your courses. You can put those courses right here on this website, and if people search and find your listing, they will purchase from you, and you'll get a commission for selling your course right here on this Udemy website. So it's exactly like Skillshare, same thing, same concept there as well. And so I want to bring you guys over to another website. It is called Shopify. Okay, Shopify has multiple different websites that you can build with it. In the e-commerce niche. Okay, this is where I build all my e-commerce websites. But the cool thing about this website is that they have what you call a partnership program. And I've been actually playing around with this partnership program for quite some time. And I generate anywhere between $300 to $500 a month, probably around $500 a month from my from actually promoting this service. Okay. So you can see my different paychecks that I had here. Started building up this business here and this business model. But if I went back even further, I went really hard with this opportunity before. $400 paychecks, $600 and $400 paychecks with this here. So I've been with this affiliate program for quite some time. You can see right here, my biggest paycheck was $1,300 with that back in 2017. So with that being said, guys, listen, Shopify is very easy to use. The whole strategy behind using Shopify with this and this partnership program is that you can definitely create tutorials on how to use Shopify. All different types of things that you can think of, how different themes to use, like what's the best Shopify themes to use. And you can show yourself actually installing the theme and setting everything up. Or maybe there's some little tweaks that you can find. If you go on YouTube right now, and you just type in Shopify tutorial, it'll give you a lot of different ideas on what types of videos you can create for the Shopify tutorial. And all you're really going to do is you're going to push people who are watching these videos to go ahead and purchase through your affiliate link, okay? Another thing that you can also do as well is you can make sure that whenever you create these types of videos, it doesn't have to be all about or it doesn't have to say Shopify. It can say how to build a website, how to build an e-commerce website in 2020 or something like that, right? That way, if your video is general, those people are going to be more in tune to actually buying or actually getting a website set up through Shopify, and that's where you're going to make more commissions by being general. The second that you go and start making videos specifically about Shopify, you're going to be attracting people who may also have a Shopify store, and they're just looking for a way to actually figure out something that they don't understand with their store, right? And so, again, just have that in mind. Every time it just depends on your level of referrals here, but you actually get paid a decent amount from Shopify whenever you do have a referral that comes through. I can't say the exact amount because it does vary from time to time on this particular account, but you can make a certain amount through here. You can actually build stores for people as well, although you don't make as much as you do if you refer people into, to set up the store for themselves, okay? So with that being said, that's the 4 websites that you can use right now in order to make your first $1,000 month, okay? If you're looking to make your first $1,000 month, you came to the right place. Either one of these strategies can work for you. I personally like the approach of creating tutorials because later on, if my channel decides to blow up on YouTube, I'm going to be able to have another stream of income, which is through Google AdSense, okay? So I highly, highly, highly recommend getting Camtasia Studio to record your screen. There are other softwares out there to use as well. I have something called Snagit, but it's good to show your face inside of the video portion too as well, so that people can see you and get familiar with you as you're doing these tutorials with people and showing them how to do certain things, okay? And I'm telling you, it's endless how many tutorials you can create for these Shopify stores, because there's so many people who are not only looking to make money online, but they're looking to build a business. They're looking to understand little intricate parts of Shopify that they don't understand, or e-commerce that they don't understand. And if you can reel it in for you, if you can help them to figure it out, you're going to gain a subscriber, and you're definitely going to make commissions from referring people to a service that they were going to already use anyways, okay? So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and then go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see all of the updates of the videos that I come out with on this YouTube channel about making money online, different techniques, different ideas, so you can start implementing right now. The best thing I could tell you is find one technique that you feel fits your personality and your lifestyle best. Go hard with it for 90 days. And then if you can, outsource it and move on to the next strategy. That's the best approach in my videos that you'll see on this channel, because I give you multiple ideas, multiple strategies on how to make money online. You have to find one that you want, figure it out, see if it's outsourceable. If it can be outsourced, cool. Outsource it, gather your passive income from that. while you're creating another stream of income. You guys take care, and I definitely will see you on the next video.